Welcome back to our channel. In last video, we learned how to launch a EC2 instance using putty and putty-gen. In this video, we are going to learn how to launch a Windows instance using remote desktop connection. For launching the Windows instance, we need to launch an instance. First, come to EC2 console, click on instances. Now, let us create an instance. Click on launch instance. Name it as Windows. Now here we need to select our AMI. For that, click on browse AMI. Select the Windows instance which is free tier eligible. Search for it. Scroll down. Here we get the free tier eligible of Windows. That is here. Select it. And check it is in T2.micro, which is free tier eligible. Create a key pair. Win. Create a key pair. Well, it's already existed. And then now let us click on launch instance, where we will going to launch the instance. We successfully launched the instance. Let us check whether the instance is in active state or not. Let's move to the EC2 instance. Let's move to the instances. Let's set it on the running state. Refresh it. It takes the while 1 to nearly 30 seconds to get into the running state. So successfully our instance is running, but the status check is still in initializing state. So let us wait for more 15 seconds. To run this Windows instance, we need a software called remote desktop connection, which is already present in our Windows systems by default. But if you don't have the default Windows RDP, just download it from the Google using this link, remote desktop connection.en.software.com. It is a free version. You can download it without paying a single penny. Now I'm already downloaded it. Let's open the app, remote desktop connection. Click on it. Here we need to paste the DNS. To launch the instance, we need actually a DNS password and the username. So let us copy the DNS from our Windows instance. Simply click on instances, click on connect. Here we can see the RDP. Copy the public DNS and paste it on the computer. And we also need the username. Click on more show options. Here we need to paste the username. Copy it from the instance console. Copy the username and paste it here. And we also need the password. So first we'll connect it. Here we need a password. So we downloaded the PEM file, which we need to convert it into the password. Here click on the get password. Here we need to upload the PEM file. Click on upload, download, select the PEM file, upload it and decrypt it. We got the password which is encrypted. Copy the password and paste it here and simply click on OK. And yes, click on yes. Here we are going to connect to the virtual Windows machine, which was given by the Amazon AWS, which is the same as we use the Windows in our PCs. We can do all the things which we are want to do, and we also download different types of virtual machines like Mac, CentOS, and etc. So let us check some features of the Windows, and let's check the storage. Actually, click on the File Explorer and go to this PC. Here we can see that the 30 GB which was be given to the AMI, which is here, in that 11.4 GB is used by the system OS, and we can also add the extra storage by using EBS. So guys, this is how we can use the Windows instance using AWS. Just terminate the instance before you closing it, otherwise AWS will charge you. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.